Good morning. So 2nd of January and we've had snow, but this doesn't stop me from working on Project S-Type. For those who didn't see my post, you can see here we've now got new wheels on here, and we've got the 4-wheel Hunter alignment booked in next week, and then in a few weeks time we're heading up to Studio Cars of Preston, where we'll get the headliner sorted. I've also got a Adamesh grille to fit at some point, but we're slowly getting there. But today we're just really focusing on dealing with these headlamps. You can see that they're kind of gone cloudy. This may not be coming out too well because it's quite bright light here, but they're quite cloudy. So I'm going to be using the following. I've got a tub of water just there. But over here on my perch, I've got a 1000 grit, 1500 grit, 2000, 3000, 5000, 10,000 grit. And rather than using a drill, I'm going to be looking to apply using a pad. Just gives me better options in terms of feeling for the rougher bits on the headlamps. So let's make a start. I'm going to start off with lightly pressing on with the P1000, do all 4 and then start working through the grades. Here we go. Going to go up and down to start with. And then make sure there's plenty of water. And then oh yeah, I can feel that. A bit more water. This is why it's quite good to do it by hand, because you can feel for the rough areas. Okay, so I've been able to go through the different grit papers on all the 4 headlights. Started off with 1000, then went to 1500, then 2000, then 3000, then 5000, then finally 10,000. So not too bad. I changed the water halfway through because it got a little bit dirty, but still the grit papers just down there. But what I want to do now is just dry them off with a microfiber cloth, see how they're looking, and then I'm going to look to apply a Menzerna 400 red tip cut, followed by a Menzerna 2500 cut, and then probably some fast glass to polish up. So I'll finish with the grit stage now. I then want to look at applying the polishes, and then after that a bit of fast glass, and we'll see where we are. If necessary I may have to go over them again, but let's see how we get on. So I'm going to use this drill and a orange pad, plus I'm also going to use the heavy cut 400 Menzerna. So I'm going to do that on all 4 headlamps. So let's get set up here. And hopefully you'll see this in action. Okay, just going to dab some of this on. So I'm spraying everywhere. Right, is that right? There we go. Let's give it a wipe. Oh yeah. I think the big one down here may need a little bit more work, but they're certainly looking a lot better. So I'm going to carry on with the others and get them up to shine with the 400 cut. Well, it definitely seems to be getting their sparkle back, looking a lot clearer than what they did previously. So this is just after the Menzerna or Menzerna heavy compound 400 cut with the orange pad, which is a medium hard cutting pad. So what I'm going to do now is switch to a blue cutting pad, bit milder, and also use Menzerna 2500. Let's see how we get on with that. Okay, so here's the Menzerna 2500 cut and the blue pad. What I'll do as before, I'll apply plenty on the pad and then I'll blotch it all over the lenses, and then that should hopefully bring these up to a nice finish. So I'm pretty happy with these this side. There's some dirt trapped in there, but these have come up quite nice. Similarly with these as well. Not perfect, but not bad. Come over to this side, I can see there's a bit of mist just around here. So what I'll do is I'll just go back, and also on this one. So what I'll do is I'll just go back and do the wet sanding, starting off with the lowest grit, working through to the largest grit, but only on those sections, and then that way I can then get a perfect finish. So I'll just do that just now. So I've resanded all through the grits up to 10,000. On the 5,000 and 10,000 grits I did the whole headlamp just to get a bit of even consistency. So now I'm going to apply the Menzerna 400 deep cut again, and then after I've done that I'll polish, and then I'll go with the Menzerna 2500 cut. Well, I'm pretty pleased with these. So second treatment with the sanding, and then the deep cut followed by the 2500 cut, and the same over here. I'd say that's a pretty good job. So I'm really pleased with them. So I can recommend using the wet sanding. So it's starting off with 1000 grit, 1500 grit, 2000, 3000, 5000, 10,000, 7,000 if you've got it, then 10,000. All done, polished with fast glass as a final finish, and the headlights are looking great in my opinion. They will need to be lacquered at some point, but I'll do that another time when it's warmer. Whilst I was out here I also got rid of the dodgy paint job. I wasn't happy with it at all, so that's all been cleaned back, ready for a professional paint job. Just need to get that booked in, otherwise all looking good. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed or appreciate part of this video, particularly the how-to on how to clean back and restore your headlamps to nearly new, then please consider giving this video a like, and if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for plenty more content coming along very soon. Thanks a lot.